Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see who viewed your TikTok profile. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and there's two options on here. You can either click on the 2-foot symbol at the top and it'll give you the option to turn on viewer history here, or you can go on the 3 lines on the top right, go into settings and privacy, and then go to privacy near the top. And if you scroll down, you should see viewers near the bottom. So you can just click on that, and this will let you know, see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and which followers viewed your posts within 7 days of the post date. If others have this setting turned on, they will also see that you viewed their profile or posts. So if you're happy with all that, just obviously toggle that on, and that's how you can see who viewed your TikTok profile. Thanks for watching.